Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zero-based three-statement financial model. Generally, three-statement financial model is prepared based on historical data, but here three-statement financial statement model has no historical data because a new project working is based and being started. The project is to install an LPG plant. First, we shall discuss its basic assumptions starting from detail of plant and machinery and equipment. Machinery required for the LPG distribution plant would include the following: plant and machinery, which includes storage tank 50 tons, second storage tank 80 tons. There would be two storage tanks, filling dispensers, pumps, cylinders 11.8 kg and cylinders 45.4 kg, support structure, piping and valves, firefighting equipments. Its total cost of plant and machinery is estimated at rupees 19,085,000. Next, we move to the building and construction cost. The LPG storage and distribution site can be divided into three areas: administration block, LPG dispensing, LPG supply taking area. Administration block will consist of about 800 square feet. All models of the detail cost is given here under. Detail boundary wall this much. Boundary walls, filling area, office area, the total cost comes to 3,050,000. We then move to the next, human resource requirement. Detail is here given: business manager, plant staff, plant in charge, supervisor, operation, etc., and all other staff, which total cost comes to 1,932,000. 1,932,000. General administration marketing staff. Detail is in front of you. Its total cost comes to 1,080,000, or its total cost comes to 3,012,000. Next, plant and office. Furniture. Detail of the furniture required is given here under, and this total cost comes to 310,000. Similarly, depreciation treatment is given. Its diminishing balance method has been used, and rate is 10% per annum of the following: machinery, equipment, land and building construction, vehicle, furniture and fixture. Next, come to the utilities. Detail of the utilities is given here. Utilities are electricity, diesel for vehicle, water, telephone, etc. The total annual cost comes to 1,35,000. Working capital is required for 3 months requirement. It will be required first 3 months salaries, first 3 months utility charges, and first 3 months miscellaneous expense and transport, bother rent and transportation, raw material, etc. Working capital will be required at 1.19250. Now come to the summary of the key assumptions. Plant and machinery, land, building, etc. all asset costs come to 47,010,000, and depreciation depreciable assets come to 24,010,000. Now come to the working capital, utilities 3 months, etc., etc. It's come to 337,500, and total working capital is this month as the calculation is given as above. Now the total project cost come to non-current assets and the plus working capital is 48,929,250. Now how will fund will be arranged? Sources of funds are 50% equity and 50% loan. These are the assumptions, and other assumptions are depreciation is 0.1, machinery annual repair is 0.03, promotion expenses 0.005, selling and distribution 0.01. Increase in price and growth. All the increase in the bother rent 0.05, increase in the cost price 0.05. Similarly, plant operation, etc., all the ratios are given here under. Annual sales, etc., etc. Economy related assumptions are given here under. Electricity charges growth rate, increase in salaries, increase in miscellaneous expenses, income tax rate, etc. Cash flow assumptions are sales on credit are 0%. All sales will be on cash basis. So account receivable period is 2, and provision for bad debts is 0.02. Raw material inventory 30 tons, and the finished goods inventory 25 tons. Revenue calculation is this much. Monthly production storage capacity is 80. Breakup is given above as the 50 tons one storage tank, and the other is 30 ton storage tank. Total come to 80 tons. Daily sales 5 tons. Number of days per month 26 days. Monthly sales per month 130 tons, and number of cylinders 1 metric ton. This 11,050 cylinders. Now we will calculate the sale value. This much. This is sale price. Total sold. This is annual sales. This is gross sales without considering the bad debts, which is given above as a 2%. Cost calculation is this. Cost per cylinder is 350. Amount this much, and this is annual. Labor cost per annum is this much, which is given as above. Long-term loan is calculated as its payment, and this in a 0 year this will be the amount released amount, and this will be repayment, and this is the markup per annum. This will be go up to repayment will complete in 5 years. Now we shall move to the main document. This is the projected income statement. This is all working is based on the given assumptions. This is the net adjusted sales. Net sales working is given in the assumptions, and this is the net adjusted sale mean the gross sales has been reduced by the bad debts, which is 2%. Then cost of sales given, and raw material cost, labor production cost, other utilities, and this is gross profit and gross profit margin. Then we go to the general administration expenses. It's all based on the given assumptions, and this is the net profit for the year before taxation is this much, This figure will go to the cash flow statement preparation of them. Then this is the taxation, will be 20% as given in the assumptions, net profit, and this is the accumulated profit. Then we move to the balance sheet data, projected balance sheet. This is showing as the 0 year to 10 year period. 0 year means here this is no operation, it is only investment period. So this is the total with plant and machinery. This much was installed, building, land, furniture, vehicle, all assets were purchased and installed during this 0 year. Now the preliminary expenses, total assets come to this much, owner equity is this much, and the long-term loan is this much. This was the 50% of that equity. Similarly, this balance sheet data is developed. So we come to the third statement. This is cash flow statement. Cash flow statements. This cash flow from operating activities, net profit before taxation. This is the first year of operation. It comes from the above calculated above statement of income and expenditure statement. Then we add back the depreciation, add back the amortization expenses and taxation to this. The provision for taxation was provided in the year, and the next year it is paid. This year it was provided, and this year it was not paid subsequent to this. This comes, and then next is the change in working capital, increase, decrease assets and current assets and current liabilities. And this comes to the, after adjusting all these, the net flow, cash flow from the operations. Now the financing activities, this is the debt. So, and this is the repayment as per repayment schedule, which is shown above. And this is the equity. Net cash flow from financial activity is this much. So cash flow from the investing activities, all investment was made in the 0 years. This is all outflow. This is net cash flow from the investing activity. This is net cash flow. This is cash at the beginning of the period, and this is the close of the period. And the close of the period carry forward to the next year. This. So this is the 3 statement financial model has come to completion. So hopefully you will understand it is for your understanding. So please do not forget the subscription on my channel. Thank you very much. Hopefully you will benefit it.